this is how the Nismo carbon fiber shift knob comes. Just going to unbox it. Okay, so the shift knob is right here. It comes with the shift stickers. That's optional. I don't think I'm gonna do it because I think it looks nicer plain. And if you open the inside, you have the finisher right here that goes into the bottom of the knob. And inside the box there's instructions. Okay, so we're gonna go and install it now. So we're in my Nismo. I already kind of loosened this already, but all you need to do is lift this up and pull it out. You don't have to take it off completely. The instructions in the box ask for a flat blade screwdriver to open this, but honestly it's really easy to just pop off. So the instructions also ask for 2 wrenches and 2 pieces of radiator hose. They want you to clamp it on the bottom right here and one on top, and then use the wrenches to help you unscrew it. I've seen other YouTube videos where people have another person helping them, but I'm by myself and I can't find the tools that I need right now. So I'm just gonna screw this. You're gonna unscrew this counterclockwise, so I'm gonna get back to you once I have this off. Okay, so I have given up trying to unscrew it by hand because it's actually screwed on there tight. I looked at other posts from Z owners and some of them use plumber wrenches, some of them use strap wrenches, some of them makeshift duct tape or grips or towels to try to get a leverage on it. The main thing is you want to secure the shaft because it does rotate counterclockwise with the shift knob. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get some tools, I'm going to hit up a friend, and we're going to try again. Honestly, that was super hard to take off. So just as a recap, make sure that you're holding the shaft steady and you're rotating the shift knob counterclockwise. So this is how it looks with it on. I have the aluminum finisher from Z1 Motorsports. It was a bundle for an extra $12. So in total with shipping and handling, I paid about $124. Just as a size comparison, well, first, as you can see, this is all messed up. I did have a second person helping me, but we did not have the right tools. So definitely with the right tools and a second person, you can definitely save your original shift knob. But as you can see, it's a lot thinner. It will take some time to get used to, but I'm definitely happy with how it looks. So again, this is the carbon fiber Nismo shift knob. I didn't put the sticker because it looks a lot cooler. Anyway, I hope this helped or you were at least entertained. And I'll see you guys next time.